Okay, there's no template in use right now. That's the skew over the whole 30 centimeter ruler, 12 inches. I'll zoom out. I've got my hand holding the shaft there, and I'm just moving this like this. And over here, here's the measurements. From here with the caliper, it's 20.27 millimeters. It's 19.56. And I check the screws on here. This is bolted on in the correct position. There's no washers or anything missing or whatever. So this is like this. This is way off, so I'm going to adjust this in. This is the directing screws, and there's no template. I've got the templates pulled out. Those are the templates, and I'm not using the roller. The roller's out of the place here. So I'm coming by, taking the ruler, touching the reference screws, taking this, clamping it down, steel ruler on here, and then I'm transferring that, whoops, over to here. And I'm holding the rod in place up here, going through, and it's just off. This is used, so my plan is to adjust these screws to get it so it runs true. And again, here's I'll get it so it's close. It's a 0. And just eyeballing, it looks like it's off about 6-7 millimeters right there. 1/4 of an inch. That's a used machine. It's a nice machine, but I was just going to tweak this in, and this video is just to convey the alignment. SM2, SM-6, 19.56, 20.27. This is this way. Put a ruler here. Clamp. This. No template. No template in use.